Your girl is back with another video on Naturium. I don't know how to say it, but I got my package. Y'all know how much I love the last few. I had to try their Mood collection. So I have the Crimson, Ruby, and Midnight. So as y'all know, I love the applicators. When you first get them though, got some out. Okay. This is Ruby. I just love how moisturizing these are and the little tint that it gives. I'm not a makeup person, as I said in the first one, so I just want a little hint of color. Just a little gloss with some shine because it's so moisturizing. I do like Ruby. Crimson. Crimson. Let's see. Again, this is the Mood collection. See how much we can get out. Okay. I like Crimson. I do like. Crimson is nice. And the last one is Midnight. So, on the color swatch, it looked like a purple. Maybe like a purplish red, so we'll see. It is giving me purple vibes. I can get that to come out a little bit, just a little bit, not too much. Might have put too much out there, we'll see. It's purple, but I love it. Okay, it's the fact that moisturizing. There's a hint of color. So if they come out with more, will I buy? Yes. They're like $10, $9.99. Like I said, very moisturizing. It's a gloss, so I love it, and I will continue to buy them because, like I said, they work for me. I don't wear makeup. A little gloss, a little hint of color does it for me. Thanks for watching.